What's the meaning of backcomb? Backcomb. Backcomb.
Backcomb. Backcomb. Backcombing is a hairstyling technique that involves combing the hair towards the scalp, creating volume and texture. This technique involves teasing sections of hair, creating knots and tangles that make the hair appear fuller. Backcombing has been used in various hairstyles throughout history, from beehives in the 1960s to punk styles in the 1970s and 80s. While it can add volume and texture to hair, backcombing can also cause damage, especially when done excessively or improperly. It is important to use a specialized brush and to gently detangle hair afterwards to avoid breakage and split ends.